Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, nisibona sinje kungenxa yayo. Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, oh inamandla, nisibona sinje sidlilifa lomthandazo.
Banguzalem is a recently released single by South African artist Nathi Menkai, Nkosinathi Menkai, blending modern Afro house rhythms with traditional South African musical influences. The track has been described as emotionally rich, with heartfelt lyrics and soulful composition. The song features rhythmic production characteristic of the three-step Afro house style, showing Nathi's continuing evolution in that genre. Nathi Menkai, born on December 23, 1982 in Thetha, Eastern Cape, South Africa, is a celebrated singer-songwriter acclaimed for his Afropop and Afro-soul sound. He gained fame with the platinum-selling debut album by Likea, 2015, which included hits like Inombula and Nobengumama, and earned multiple awards. His musical journey continued with albums like Ambulelo Wem, 2016, Ifufa Labantu, 2018, and Yuzuba Lugotsi, 2022, solidifying his status in the industry. TikTok Buzz highlights how the song appeals across varied demographics and religions, reflecting unity through music and modern cultural appeal. Commenters note expressive lyrics such as Banguzalem Yuk Ndalabika Imagzini M, the Anothenda, which evoke themes of longing and emotional connection. Banguzalem reaffirms Nathi Menkai's artistic versatility, merging heartfelt songwriting with vibrant Afro house production. It's quickly gaining traction in his discography and among fans, celebrated for its emotional resonance and modern sound. I will be sure to update you when the full album is released.
Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, nisibona sinje kungenxa yayo. Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, oh inamandla, nisibona sinje sidlilifa lomthandazo. Babethandazo nozalimi koti ime, bakele nemvula ine, nisibona sinje kungenxa yemithandazo. Le mithandazo siyenza ingasange yaphendulwa, ambuyo silinda ngaphambili. Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, nisibona sinje kungenxa yayo. Imithandazo yabazali bethu inamandla, oh inamandla, nisibona sinje sidlilifa lomthandazo. Babethandazo nozalimi koti ime, bakele nemvula ine, nisibona sinje kungenxa yemithandazo. Le mithandazo siyenza ingasange yaphendulwa, ambuyo silinda ngaphambili, sizele bayakhula.